Have you ever wondered how radio stations get ratings? Enter Nielsen Audio and their wearable personal people meter. These weird-looking devices are rectangular shaped and listen to frequencies wherever you go, both inside and outside of the home. They also tell the time, so your friends, family, and coworkers might mistake it as some unbranded, cheap and tacky smartwatch. Let's take a look at how they work. First, there is the beacon and hub. The hub plugs into an outlet and connects to all of your Nielsen meters. It uses a cellular signal to transmit your data back to Nielsen's data center for processing when the Nielsen meter connection app is not functional. So think of it as a backup way of transmitting data if the Nielsen app you installed on your phone is not working. Like all apps, the Nielsen meter connection app will probably drain your smartphone's battery and could potentially slow down your phone and use up some of your data when being used. So the hub is an alternative way of transmitting data back to Nielsen. The Nielsen beacon lets Nielsen know when you're wearing your meter at home. It allows Nielsen to separate your media use at home and your media use outside of the home. So with Nielsen's beacon and hub plugged into your wall outlet, Nielsen will know whenever each of your household members is at home or outside the home. Although this is sort of Big Brother-ish, media companies and advertisers want to know if people consume media at home or somewhere else. It's possible if there is a warrant, Nielsen will release your data to the police. If you have nothing to hide and aren't breaking the law, there is nothing to worry about. Just don't go out committing felonies and claim you are home when you aren't, because Nielsen will know. Now let's talk about the Nielsen Meter Companion app, which you would install on the smartphones of each household member who is 13 years of age or older. Yep, your teenagers need the Nielsen app too. However, no worries. The app is available for both Android and iOS. Each household member over 13 should download the app and log in using the household ID number and their individual Nielsen meter serial number, which can be found on the box or on the back of the meter itself. By the way, you can even use the app to track a lost Nielsen meter. How cool is that? So what's in it for you for participating in this invasive tracking of you, your spouse, and your kids? Well, you can earn rewards points and some money. If you're asking how much, well, everyone earns points differently, so I can't tell you. It depends. Oh, and there is something about sweepstakes. Isn't that cool? Mr. Beast has popularized sweepstakes, and Nielsen uses sweepstakes too. Imagine if you win something awesome. No, it won't be an island. It won't even be $1 million. The prizes are in no way on Mr. Beast's level. But a prize is a prize, right? Now let's look at the actual personal people meter. This cool guy is it. You can wear it as a watch that tells the time, or wear it around your neck like some sort of medallion, or clip it somewhere around your waist. Hey, people might think you're just a 90s fan with a pager. And there's a charger for the device because you should charge your meter 4 hours before you wear it. There's no Samsung super fast charging here. 4 hours is the guideline. Stick to it or else you might just run out of juice on the outside and just have to return home to charge your Nielsen meter to keep on earning those sweet rewards points. Let's talk about the charger. Cool, right? Looks to be a regular micro USB charger. Oh, and here's the charging dock. Maybe take this when you're camping. Magnets. Sweet. So with the equipment out of the way, how does participating work? Quite simple. As soon as you wake up, wear the device using either the swivel clip, wristband, or pendant. Make sure you wear it all day long wherever you go. At the end of the day, charge your meter when you sleep. Yep, wear it all the time, unless you're sleeping. You should probably also clean it from time to time. Oh, and there's $10. Wait, I thought Nielsen sends out crisp bills. This one looks used. There you have it, the Nielsen Audio Portable People Meter that tracks what you listen to when you're at home or outside. This is how radio ratings get made, folks. It also tracks TV and other stuff too. Oh, and there's one final thing that Nielsen probably didn't tell you. They do look you up on social media to see if you disclose your participation about them. Because Nielsen doesn't want you disclosing you are participating in their surveys. If they find out you have, then they are supposed to remove you from the sample. On the other hand, if you want out of the Nielsen survey, if you post on social media you are participating in their program, they might just kick you out. If you're watching this and a Nielsen representative has asked you to wear their tracking meter, then cheers. Enjoy being tracked. Enjoy your Nielsen points.